Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by backing up. This preserves your current wallpaper and home data. Once done, unlock the iPhone and open Settings, then tap Wallpaper. You need Face ID or your passcode to enter editing mode. Make sure you're on the current lock/home preview screen so you can act directly. Tap the displayed wallpaper to reveal options. You will see Edit, choose New Wallpaper, or Remove. Choose the option that shows removal controls to begin the actual deletion. You now remove the wallpaper. Tap Remove or choose New Wallpaper if available. When prompted, confirm Remove to delete the current image from active display. This does not erase photos from your library. If you prefer replacing instead of blanking, select Choose New Wallpaper, pick an image, set perspective/zoom, and tap Set for Lock, Home, or both. Make steady, small adjustments so layout and widgets remain readable. When finished, press the Home gesture or swipe up to return to the home screen. You finish by verifying both lock and home screens show the removed or replaced wallpaper. If the change doesn't apply immediately, restart the iPhone and check again. A reboot often forces UI refresh. Make sure Focus or Wallpaper Automation isn't reapplying old images. Disable automations in shortcuts if needed. If it still fails, reset all settings as a last resort. That keeps data but restores defaults. After reset, reapply your desired wallpaper and confirm it persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.